On the day of my resumption, I had before me security deficits in some areas of River State. One of these areas was Kana local government, and we immediately deployed tactical teams to quell the situation. Gentlemen of the press, after concluding intense surveillance on the 15th November, in separate crack operations, men of the anti-cultism unit arrested Brady Dop Igia, 33 years old, male, and Elvis Gordon, 26 years old, two suspected armed robbers and kidnappers in Kerene Bua community of Kana local government area. After a series of interrogation, the two of them confessed to being leaders of Asland and Degbam cult groups in Kana local government areas, respectively, and have been terrorizing Kana local government area for the past 3 years. These cult groups have been known to have endless clashes in the community. During interrogation, they also admitted to killing and burying one Praise Dekian, a former CDC chairman in Kana local government area. They murdered the victim after collecting the sum of 200,000 naira as part of the payment of ransom for his life. The duo confessed to murdering 9 other victims from 2021 to 2023, and were main reason for the partial evacuation of the community within that same period. Investigation is still ongoing to uncover the full scale of the suspect's operation.